Have a great day, dear students, respected viewers and honorable guardians. Welcome to online class brought to you by Alia Jami School and College, Munshirat, Fulgaji, Feni. Dear students, I know all of you are doing great and studying at home, doing online class minutely and do your homework regularly. You know, due to COVID-19 pandemic, government has taken a decision to close down all the educational institutions of the country so that you can prevent transmission. Dear students, I have a new class for you. Before going to our class, let me introduce myself. I am Shimarani Bonik and I have been working as a teacher of English in Alia Jami School and College, Munshirat, Fulgaji, Feni. The students of class 8, this class is made for you. Let's move on to our today's class. Can you guess something about the sentences? The first sentence, I am not a singer. The second sentence, I am the singer. The word a and the are red marks, and our today's class is based on these sentences and these words. Try to guess. Oh yes, you have rightly guessed. Thank you. Our today's topic's name is articles, and today we will learn definite articles. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will be able to define articles, define definite articles, tell the types of articles, and solve the problem of articles. First of all, we will learn what is articles. The words a or an and the are called articles. Dear students, there are two types of articles: the definite article and the indefinite articles. Now, we will learn about definite article and indefinite article. First, definite article. The is called the definite article because it is used to indicate something specific. Example, this is the lake. Here, the lake is specifically indicated. Indefinite article. A and an are called the indefinite articles because they are used to indicate something unspecific. For example, this is a lake. A lake here is unspecific something. Dear students, now we will learn the uses of definite articles. And with this we will learn some rules of definite articles. You know, The is called the definite article. The first rule. The is used to indicate a particular person, persons or thing, things in the case of common nouns. Proper nouns generally do not take an article. For example, the man is running. Here, the man is a particular man. Another example, I saw the boy reading. Here, the boy is also specifically indicate. Rule number 2. Sometimes the is used to generalize a group or whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Here, the dog refers to the whole species. The English are industrious. Here, the people of England as a nation. I mean, here the English means the people of England as a nation. The honest are respected. Here, honest is a plural number. The plus adjectives equal to plural noun. The poor are not always dishonest. The plus adjectives equal to plural noun. Third rule. To particularize a non-count noun, I mean uncountable noun, the is required before it. For example, the water of the Arctic Ocean is freezing. Here, water is a non-count noun or uncountable noun. That's why you have to use the before water. Rule number 4. The is mandatory before a thing which is only one of a kind in the universe. For example, the moon is shining tonight. Dear students, in this universe there is only one moon. That's why you have to indicate it definitely. You will use the before the moon. Second example, the earth is moving around the sun. Here, the earth and the sun, they are the only one in this universe. That's why you have to use the before earth and sun. Rule number 5. The is used before the names of religious books and magazines. For example, the Holy Quran, the Star Magazine, etc. Here, the Holy Quran is a religious book and you have to use the before the name of the Holy Quran or religious books. The Star Magazine, it's a name of a magazine and you have to use the before it. Rule number 6. The is used before the adjective to mean community. For example, the virtuous are happy. The rich are not always happy. The poor are born to suffer. Virtuous, rich and poor, these are adjectives and community, and you have to use the before virtuous, rich and poor to indicate it properly. Rule number 7. This is used to compare the is used to compare the two proper nouns and before the one with which they are compared. For example, Narayanganj is the Dandi of Bangladesh. Here, Narayanganj is compared with Dandi of Bangladesh. And you have to use the before Dandi of Bangladesh to indicate it properly. Another example, Nazrul is the Byron of Bangladesh. Here, Nazrul is compared with Byron of Bangladesh. Then you have to use the before Byron of Bangladesh to make it definite. And Nazrul is compared the Byron of Bangladesh. The students, now evaluation. That means what we have learned today. Tell me what is articles. Yes, you are right. Thank you. Another question for you. How many types of articles? Thanks again. Dear students, now I am going to give you a homework. Our today's homework is write on definite articles. Dear students, now we are at the end of our today's session. I hope you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to learn. Wear mask when going out. Stay home, stay safe, because you are our future Bangladesh. Goodbye, good luck and thank you.